Hello viewers, welcome to my Tech Updates official YouTube channel powered by technologyrss.com. Hello, in this tutorial how to install FusionPBX on Ubuntu 20.04. This is my server information, operating system Ubuntu 20.04, IP address 10.66, 100.40, RAM 1.5 GB, disk 50 GB, FusionPBX version 4.5, database PostgreSQL PHP 7.2, web server Nginx. Now I checking server version and IP address, server version and IP address, and then must be server update and upgrade using this command, update and upgrade done. Now download pre-install script, download done. Now install .sh file, and this is auto installation process, all of service. This script is auto installation process like Nginx, PostgreSQL, FreeSwiss, cloning into FusionPBX, full package into var www FusionPBX directory. Now downloading FreeSwiss version 1.10.3. Install FreeSwiss sound. Now download this package, then install it. Installation has completed. Use a web browser to log in. Domain name, this is my server IP address, username admin, and password is auto generated password. Click advance. Your connection is not private. Proceed unsafe. Username admin and password is auto generated password. Click login. Yes, dashboard 4.5.29. this is latest master release. You have managed your PBX system for internal, or if you use gateway for outgoing call and incoming call, and extension follow me, IVR, reading group, queue, recording, call forward, and many more features provide this open source PBX solution. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please submit your valuable comments. Please subscribe my channel, like and share with others, and don't forget press the bell icon, get the first notification.